Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about a Quartz watch that is not working with a new battery. I'll be specifically telling you that these could be the problems, and I'll be going over some easy fixes for those problems. So essentially, if your Quartz watch is not working and you just installed a new battery, if it's not working with a new battery, I'm going to go over the potential problems and the fixes for those problems. Let's get right into the video. These are only the sort of tip of the iceberg because there could be other problems, but for the most part, these will solve most occurrences of this happening. So let's get into this. And just to be absolutely clear, this watch, the reason it's not working is because it has an old battery. I need to replace this battery. So this is not an example of a watch that is experiencing that. I can't even speak. A watch that is experiencing that. It's just one that I grabbed as an example because I do need to replace the battery so the hands are not moving. Okay, so let's get into this. 5 simple things, problems and fixes. The first one, number one, is that the new battery might not be new. It might not be working. You might have taken that battery fresh out of the pack and you might think that it should be working, and it probably should be working, but in reality, anything can happen. Batteries can drain by themselves. It's rare, but it does happen. So how do you solve this? Try putting in a different battery, but you can try the other steps before you do that. But if you've already outlined, if you've already exercised your usage of these other steps, then definitely, try using a different new battery. Give that a try, okay? Number 2 is that you might have put the battery in the watch in the wrong orientation. So you might have installed the battery with the wrong orientation. Instead of, having a certain positive or negative side up, you might have done the opposite. So open the backing. The solution to that is to open the backing and make sure that the battery is installed in the correct orientation. Take a look and make sure it's seated properly and so forth while you're at it, okay? Number 3 is that the crown might not be fully pushed in. Now, when you pull out the crown, on most watches, it's going to essentially disconnect the battery. So that means that even if I have a brand new working battery in here, if I pull out the crown a little bit, not even completely, but just a little bit, it most likely will stop the hands from moving and make you think that the watch isn't working. So the solution to this is make sure the crown is pressed down fully and take a look, make sure there's no dirt, debris caught in there or dust. So you can see the crown is not pressed down fully. I might look at it and say, yeah, it's pressed down. But in reality, if you look right there, it's not pressed down, okay? There's a little bit of a gap. So press it down fully. You're going to hear a click and make sure it looks like it's pressed down fully. Make sure there's no dirt, debris, or dust caught in there. Okay. Number 4 is the hands might be stuck. On occasion, very rare occurrences, the hands will be stuck for one reason or another. Maybe it's an old watch, hasn't been used in a while, blah, blah, blah. Okay. There are many reasons, but to fix that, you want to pull out the crown. Okay, you want to move the hands around like that. That will sort of unstick them and move around decently because you want that hour hand to move as well. So in order to get the hour hand to move, 1/12 of a complete circle, I'm not going to calculate the degrees of that. I was going to do it in my head, but it's okay. I'll pass right now. 1/12 of a complete circle, you need to make the minute hand move a complete circle. So if I make the minute hand move one complete rotation, the hour hand will move 1/12 of a rotation. Okay, try that out. And then press the crown back in. See if maybe the hands were stuck and you can unstick them. And lastly, number 5, the 5th easy fix and problem is that the mechanism itself might be stuck. There are so many tiny, intricate little pieces inside of a Quartz watch and an automatic watch for that matter. So what you can do to fix this, honestly, is gently tap on the back of the watch. You don't need to tap hard, like this. This is more than enough force. Gently tap on the back. If you can gently tap on the back, then anything that might be stuck will be loosened up if that's a problem. You don't want to go with force because you don't want to knock anything out of place. You just want to gently tap on the back. Just gently. Try it out. I'll see if that helps you out. And that's truly it. If you like this video tutorial / explanation / demonstration, please be sure, and obviously, like I said, don't tap it hard. Just tap it softly. But once again, if you like the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.